What's up, Peak Timers? Welcome back to another peg hunting video. We just pulled up at Target. Now, Target always has some really cool, interesting stuff. Sometimes they have the Target Red Edition cars. They've always got different sets and interesting stuff. So let's go head on inside and see what we can find. And we are at the aisle. Let's go ahead and have a quick look around and see what we can find. Looks like all these 1 in 36 scale cars are sold out. We've got some Fast and Furious cars, the Toyota Supra, Lycan Hypersport. I really like that one. Looks like the GTR down there and another Supra back there. Let's go ahead and see what else we can find here. We got a bunch of the monster trucks. We've got some sets down here. What is this? We've got some sort of monster truck set. Let's have a look at that one here. Downhill race and go. And it looks like they go down and then they get like shot out of something and then they kind of flip up. That's kind of interesting. I don't know about that one. We'll have to take a closer look maybe. We've got, let's see what else we have here. We've got the Mecha Shark Face Off. We've got the Vertical Launch Kit. That looks pretty fun. And we've got a Mario Kart set. Ooh, Mario Circuit Track set. 1 or 2 players, power boosted for non-stop racing. Wow, that looks really neat. Let's go ahead and have a look at the back of this one here. Check out all the stuff on the back. Mario Kart. Now you can race Mario Kart in real life. And it looks like some sort of continuous circuit for 2 Mario Karts to go on. That's pretty interesting. We'll have to think about that one there. $79.99. It's a little bit much. Let's go ahead and see what else we can find here. We've got the T-Rex Rampage with a big dinosaur on there. We've got the Colossal Crash. It's some sort of big crash action set. It's motorized. That looks pretty neat. We'll put that back for a second here. What else can we find? We've got some sort of classic sets. The Figure 8 Raceway from the 1990s. In the 1980s, the Stow and Go. And we've got some more Monster Jam stuff. Monster Jam now not part of Hot Wheels, just in case you guys didn't know that. Monster Jam is selling their own stuff now, but they've got their own tracks and stuff. And let's see what else we have. We got the Mario Kart cars. Ooh, looks like we've got the complete set of these. Let's go ahead and have a look. We've got Mario, Luigi, Peach, Yoshi, and Bowser. Ooh, I really like this set. I've already got this set, though. I've already done a review on it. Check out my channel if you want to see it. Looks like the main lines are pretty bare on the shelves here. Looks like we've got some 20 packs, though. There's that Lamborghini. We've got the Escort there. Let's see if we can find any other good 20 packs here. Sometimes you can get packs where they have some newer cars first. Like we saw the orange McLaren Senna first in the multi-packs. There's the Civic in that one. Looks like a 240Z. Let's see what else we can find. There's the custom Nomad. We've got a Mustang there. There's the one with the McLaren Senna, the orange one. That's pretty neat. I really, really like that casting. You guys know how much I love the McLaren Senna. Let's see what else we can see here. There's a Mustang, Corvette, Mach Speeder. Anything else that we can find that's different? I like the Indy Oval. That one's such a cool casting. We've got the Civic, another Indy Oval. No, it doesn't look like we can find any newer castings. So we'll go on and we'll move down the aisle and let's go have a look and see what else we can find here. We got some Avengers, color shifters, character cards. Ooh, check out these monster trucks. Ooh, these is a whole new line of the 2019 Hot Wheels edition monster trucks. And we've got the Darth Vader here. Oh, wow, look at this. Spongebob Squarepants monster truck. That is pretty cool. Wow, that is amazing. Let's see what other cars are from this series. Monosaurus, Demo Derby, Shark Wreck, V8 Bomber. Wow. There's some really cool ones. Now that Hot Wheels and Monster Jam have split, Hot Wheels is just going full on with all these crazy new custom monster trucks. Let's see what other ones we can find back here. Look at that one there. Wow. And it looks like a Roger Dodger monster truck. Well, look at this one. Chewbacca? Is this a Chewbacca monster truck? Wow. It is. That is crazy. They're getting a lot more creative with these monster trucks. What is this one? Alien Invasion, and it's got the little guy there. That is so cool. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe that. Gravedigger we still have, but oh no, that's Monster Jam. So that's the Monster Jam variations of them. So the official monster trucks. But still lots of cool ones, lots of new ones to collect. Let's see what else we have here. We've got, what are these? These got like these mini cars here. And this one is a Transformer. And they're all like mini cars. Nano Hollywood Racers. Is that what they're called? I don't know. Something crazy weird. We got a Fast and Furious variation of them. Got the Charger. We got the Supra. We got the Escort here. These are pretty neat. I don't know how much detail you can get in these little ones, though. Ooh, they even got the Eclipse and the SVT Lightning Supra. Wow, there's some really cool ones of these. I don't know. We'll have to check out if we can find the full set.
All right, guys, we are back inside of my car, and whew, it is a hot day out today, but thankfully we were inside doing some pig hunting, and you guys saw all the cool stuff that I found inside. Now, I will admit, unfortunately, I did not buy anything today, and let me tell you guys why. There's just so many cool different sets that I was really interested in, and I need your guys' help. Which one of these sets that you guys saw today do you want to see on the Peak Time Racing channel? I'm leaning towards that like monster truck set that comes down with the car and it has the thing that explodes and crashes. I thought that was really cool. So let me know in the comments down below. Should I get that one or should I get a different set that you guys have not seen on the channel yet? There was those really cool monster trucks, that Spongebob one. That was just super interesting. I've never seen that before. I didn't buy that, but I might actually go back in and get that. I'm contemplating. I'm on the edge about getting that one. But there was some really cool stuff. That Senna, also really neat. I do have the Senna already though, and I think I'll leave that one for another person to pick up and buy. But let me know in the comments down below. Help me out, guys. Which one of those sets should I go back in and buy? And did you enjoy this video? Smash that thumbs up, guys. I will catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.